Hey guys, this is Rohasi, the new owner of the Japanese abandoned house. Today I'm here at Nakatsugawa City, Gifu Prefecture, Japan. What we are gonna do today is just clean up this messy garden with my friend slash consultant Thomas.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Another beautiful day here in Gifu. It's 31 degrees today.
Yeah, it's too hot.
And summer hasn't even begun yet.
Yeah, it's gonna be 38 degrees, I think, in summer.
Yeah,
So.
I'm looking forward to it. But first we got to get some garden work done before the heat comes.
Yeah.
We're gonna clean up these weeds.
Yeah, weeds, and hopefully we can trim some trees.
Trim some trees.
Yeah, and I'd like to install a barbecue grill here for our lunch.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we'll make it look pretty and then we'll eat some delicious food.
Yeah, so our lunch is up to how we're gonna clean here.
So we better get busy
Yeah,
so that we can eat.
yeah,
Let's get to work.
it's too hot. Okay, so Thomas,
Yes.
お疲れ様でした。
はい、お疲れ様
お疲れ
です。
様でした。Yeah, the garden look little better, I guess.
It looks a little better.
Yeah, a little
And There's
better.
room for us to
Yeah,
eat
yeah, at
and
least.
enjoy our
Yeah,
lives.
we're gonna spend 2 more days, I guess, to just clean up this area. But yeah, let's eat lunch.
Let's eat lunch. Yeah.
4 p.m. already, but
4 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah. Late lunch.
yeah,
That's okay.
Let's have late lunch.
Johnsonville, a little bit overpriced here in Japan, but they're just as delicious here as they are back home.
Oh my god, it looks so tasty. This is what we were looking for.
This was the entire objective
Yeah,
of today.
yeah.
Today's objective complete. Johnsonville sausage, barbecue to perfection.
Yeah, looks tasty.
Indeed. Dijon mustard and ketchup.
You don't like Dijon mustard, do you?
Not really, but I'm gonna eat it regardless.
Okay. Yeah, because that's what we could find in the supermarket.
Yeah. So it's really difficult to find American mustard in Japanese grocery stores.
Yeah.
It's really disappointing sometimes. But
Yeah, Japanese people have assumption that mustard is for Western people.
the classic American hot dog mustard tastes completely different. Actually, you can see it on that bun package.
Package of the
Yeah. So this is American mustard
on the picture.
on the picture. And it has a very unique flavor. It doesn't taste anything like Dijon, in my opinion. I grew up on this though. But it's so hard to find in Japan.
Yeah.
I grew up barbecuing hot dogs.
Probably we can recommend North American tourists to bring their own mustards to Japan. Okay, so this is a hamburger. So let's put the hamburger into this hamburger buns. We luckily found in a closest supermarket from this abandoned house. It's pretty rare to find this kind of hamburger buns in Japanese supermarket.
It sure is. I've been living in Japan for a long time. The odds of finding both hot dog buns and hamburger buns in the same store, you should buy a lottery ticket.
Yeah, probably that's because so many foreigners come to Nakatsugawa City these days. So yeah, probably a lot of the tourists ask to the staff.
Please give me hamburger buns.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. There's actually some onion or something in it. It's really good.
I thought you wanted to have more raw meat.
No, in Canada we often buy these pre-made burger patties. Yeah, frozen patties.
Oh, frozen.
So honestly though, Japan sells some of the best food or frozen food or plastic wrapped food in the world, in my opinion. No other country does plastic food better than Japan. No other country.
Really?
Yeah. If you want to get a full meal, let's say spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Yeah. Spaghetti bolognese or a spaghetti meat sauce.
Yeah.
You can go to 7-Eleven and buy
Yeah.
a full spaghetti meal, and it's
Yeah.
actually edible. You know, tastes pretty good.
Yeah.
If you're
Yeah,
in Canada and you go to 7-Eleven, you're not gonna eat anything.
Surprisingly tasty and cheap. It's rare to find a big mistake when we purchase plastic wrapped foods in Japanese supermarket or convenience store. So many ashes on your clothing.
Yeah, you're covered in ash.
Yeah, me too. ごちそうさまでした。
食べちゃった。
Alright, so today is our second day to clean this tiny garden.
First, I'm going to take up these rocks here and clean this out so that I can turn up this soil, clean out all the weeds and debris, rake it all out, and later on we're going to put a bunch of white rocks and make it look very clean and pretty. So the first thing I got to do is clean out these path stones.
Yeah.
Right now we're going to see what kind of life has grown up underneath these rocks.
Yeah, this house is built before 50 years ago. So 50 years old colony is generated underneath these stones.
Who knows what kinds of amazing growth has happened in the last 50 years.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Let's check it out. Let's see. What do we have under this one?
Oh, but here it's pretty
clean.
Yeah, pretty clean.
Let's check the next one. Oh, a centipede.
Yeah, tiny centipede. But here's also pretty clean. Oh, ant colony.
There's some ant eggs.
Yeah. Do you think it's gross to record?
No.
No? Okay. So I'm gonna zoom in.
Look, they're panicking.
Yeah, panicking.
What are we gonna do?
What's wrong with my 50 years old house colony?
Why is there light in here?
Yeah, I feel sorry to them. This ant seems pretty big.
It's huge.
Yeah.
And like the tunnels they've created are quite intricate and kind of cool.
Yeah.
I wonder how deep it goes.
I don't know.
We're gonna find out.
1 hour. Yeah. Are you going to destroy the colony?
Well, I don't want to, but
This is not an insect channel, so let's do our, real estate show.
real estate. So, put this here for now.
Okay, so let's try to avoid to harm to the ants and flip the soils to make it clean.
Yeah, minimize the damage.
Yeah.
If I can.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this is soil. You turn it around.
Yeah, turned over the soil and there was a bunch of weeds in there, so I just kind of raked it out. Oh, a bunch of little rocks too. So the whole idea is to make it flat and clean, as flat as I possibly could, so that I could put this landscaping fabric down.
Yeah, the black fabric.
Yeah. I think typically used to kill weeds, make sure everything underneath kind of stays underneath, and also so that your landscaping rocks or your fine material doesn't mix with the soil. It looks fantastic. Yeah, this morning, this whole area was covered in moss and weeds and grass.
So dirty.
Yeah, it looks great so far.
Yeah, I have to say today was big progress, and you're gonna put these stones on the fabric later.
So when I'm done cutting this strip here, I'm gonna start laying out the walking steps. These guys here.
The rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll lay each one, maybe from the start, and come this way.
Yeah, great.
And then we'll throw some rocks down.
Okay, I see. Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Alright, so Thomas, our work is well done today.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, you as well. Good work.
Thank you. And this is our, outcome, output.
Yeah. Slightly disappointing to finish with such little
area.
Rocks. But we have a lot more to do. And this was 10 bags, all of that.
Yeah.
All of that was, I knew 10 bags wasn't going to be nearly enough, but I was hoping it would come out to at least 25%, but we're going to have to spend a good 50,000 yen to finish this thing.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. But it's going to be look great, right?
It's going to look it's going to look fantastic. It already looks so much better than it did this morning.
Yeah. Big difference. Big difference. I'm kind of satisfied. And the garden is also...
Huge change.
Yeah, huge change. I feel it's kind of tidied up.
Tidied
up.
Yeah. There was a lot of random branches sticking out of these things.
Yeah, for sure.
Now we can identify each bush individually.
Yes. Yeah, it's going to be easier to maintain them.
Yeah. And we've cleaned a path in between all the bushes so you can more easily walk.
Yeah, we can walk around everywhere in this garden now. Let's finish this white gravel next time.
Yes, let's finish the white gravel next time.
Yeah.
And perhaps we can move into the other yard.
Yeah, that's gonna be tough as well. The place is pretty huge, but let's try our best to make good Airbnb in.
Yeah, let's try our best.
Yeah. Okay,
let's pack it in.
Yeah, let's pack it in. Pack it in.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. Right, so see you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.